Well guys, everything is removed, the door panel and everything around it, including the speaker. I didn't want it to damage it, so now I can start my work, my actual work. And before I do anything, I want to try something. At least I've wanted to try these methods for some time now, but I never had the chance. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to try everything, but at least I'm gonna try this thing. This is my old basketball, and I'm gonna try and inflate this inside of the door panel, inside of the door in between the two panels, and we'll see if it is gonna help me bring back the door where it was initially, as it should be. And there's some other stuff that I want to try, but probably I won't be able to make all the experiments now. I'm gonna be happy if this thing works, so let's give it a go. Well guys, strangely enough, there are some special tools that can do this job, but strangely enough, my ball experiment did most of the work for me. So as you can see, the door is kind of straight. There is a little bump over here and another one over here. I'm gonna treat this with heat gun probably. There is isolation on the back side of the panel, so I'm a bit concerned about that, but I'm hoping that the heat is gonna pop this up, and at least I'm gonna give it a try. And I still have some work on this area over here, but it is way better than before, so I'm kind of hoping that everything is gonna go well. I have to address this over here. I don't know how. I'm gonna figure something out now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use the ball again to try to straighten this a bit. So it is kind of nice to be able to do this with old basketball. Let's continue with the smaller adjustments here and there. I just received the package. I didn't have any of this. It is a glass vacuum lifter, and I wanted to try this as well, but since I made so much progress with the ball, it is kind of pointless. But there is still this little bump over here that I will try this on to see if it is sticking and if it is working. So let's give it a try. Well guys, this is it. I'm giving up for today. I'm gonna try to show you. There is a bit of a hiccup over here and probably a bit over here. I don't know how to show you that, but overall I'm happy with how things have turned out so far. I think I'm gonna call it a day, and I will continue tomorrow, but so far I think we are in a good shape. There is gonna be a little bit of body filler that I'm gonna use here and there. It was kind of inevitable, so I'm gonna start dealing with this tomorrow probably, because I have more work over here and it is kind of awkward thing to deal with, so I don't know. I'm gonna try to fix this as well. I'm gonna give it a go with the glass vacuum lifter over here to see if I can at least pull it out a bit so I won't weld, and step by step we are getting closer to finishing this project.